Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a corporate compliance program with NAVEX, complete guide step by step clearly. To start a corporate compliance program with NAVEX, begin by assessing your current compliance needs. Identify key risk areas specific to your organization and industry. Gather input from stakeholders within your organization to understand their perspectives on compliance. Choose a compliance framework that aligns with your business goals and objectives. Establish a compliance team with designated roles and responsibilities. Develop written policies and procedures that reflect your compliance framework. Utilize NAVEX's resources, including training materials and tools, to educate employees about compliance expectations. Implement a reporting mechanism that allows employees to report concerns confidentially. Ensure the reporting process is accessible and clearly communicated to all staff. Conduct regular training sessions to reinforce compliance awareness and knowledge. Monitor the effectiveness of your compliance program through audits and assessments. Utilize NAVEX's assessment tools to gain insights into your compliance performance. Make adjustments to your compliance program based on feedback and assessment results. Foster a culture of compliance by encouraging open dialogue about ethical practices. Communicate the importance of compliance to all levels of the organization regularly. Document every aspect of your compliance program for transparency and accountability. Review and update your compliance program regularly to stay aligned with regulations and industry standards. Leverage NAVEX's expertise to stay informed about emerging compliance trends and regulations. Track your compliance initiatives and outcomes to demonstrate effectiveness to stakeholders. Celebrate compliance milestones to motivate and engage employees within your organization. By following these steps, you'll establish a strong corporate compliance program with NAVEX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.